Today, I'll show you two easy ways to convert your video into black and white. This effect is perfect for creating a vintage, cinematic, or dramatic style. Method 1. Using filters. Start by importing your clip into the timeline and selecting it. On the right hand editing menu, tap Filters. Scroll through until you find the mono section. These filters instantly give you a black and white look. Simply pick one, then use the intensity slider to make it more subtle or more dramatic. Once you're happy, tap the check mark. Method 2. Using adjustments. If you want more control, select your clip again and tap Adjustments on the right hand menu. First, find the saturation slider and drag it all the way down. This removes all color and gives you the base black and white effect. Next, tweak the brightness to lighten or darken your video, then adjust the contrast to bring out details or soften shadows until you get the exact black and white style you want. Tap the check mark to apply, and that's it. You now know two simple ways to make your videos black and white in Kinemaster using quick filters or full manual adjustments. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Kinemaster editing tips.